Samsung Electronics Co. Limited has flagged a gradual recovery for chips in the second half of the year after its semiconductor business reported a record $3.4 billion loss, driven by a chip glut from weak demand for tech devices. A global downturn in semiconductor purchases amid an economic slowdown and corporate belt tightening sent chip prices plummeting in the first quarter, triggering production cuts across the sector. Samsung said by the second half of the year, customers will have run down inventory and will gradually start buying chips again. For the current quarter, Samsung said it expected limited recovery for memory chips as major data center firms invested more conservatively in servers. The world's biggest memory chip maker said operating profit fell to 640 billion won, that's $478.6 million for the January-March quarter, down 95% from a year earlier, and its smallest profit for any quarter in 14 years. The South Korean tech giant chip division, normally its most reliable cash cow, reported a 4.58 trillion won loss compared to a 8.45 trillion won profit a year earlier. Shoppers around the world have cut back on purchases due to surging inflation. As a result, smartphone, personal computer and server companies have run down inventories, causing chip prices to plunge by about 70% over the previous 9 months.